Let's take a look at the Set Scale node of the Geometry node. By default, Geometry nodes only provide set position nodes. However, you can configure a Set Scale node by adding a Vector Math node. The advantage of this setup is that you can utilize the selection socket. I wrote a random number on each face for easy identification. Here, we will try to adjust the size of face 1. You can do this by adding a math node. You can also adjust the size of face 6 through the modulo mode. I still don't know a simple way to select the second face. By adding a Vector Rotate node, you can implement the effect of a Set Rotation node.